Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, we talked about the activity monitor on Windows 10, and we talked about the download speed that you could see from Windows updates. And here we're going to do it on Windows 11 and answer a question that I've seen today on the channel. So when you go in Windows 11 for the same thing, the activity monitor, you go into your settings, you go into Windows Update, of course, and in the Windows Update section, you will see that there's the advanced options. And the advanced options, you will have delivery optimization, and there you'll have activity monitor. Now on my Windows 10 machine, I had something like 30 megabits per second for the download, average download. You can see here on my Windows 11 machine, which is an Insider machine, 51.3. So this number is different. If I look at my main machine that I use every day for Windows 11 22H2, my average speed is, let me just check it out here. So my average speed for download is on that machine 33.7. So you could see that there's two speeds here. One is user initiated 7.3 and background 51. So what makes this speed different? First of all, the speed has to do with several things. One of them is the Microsoft servers themselves. They're inconsistent. I've noticed that in downloads, for example, speed isn't always exactly the same. It's not like downloading a file. Often if you look at downloading files, and I'm downloading one right now, which is a Linux distro, and you could see here that by downloading it tells me that right now I'm at this speed on this server, which is slow. The speed depends a lot on the connection that you've got with the servers, first of all. So not all servers are equal. Also, how many people are downloading an update at the same time or a file at the same time? That also is giving you a different number. Of course, there's the speed of your internet connection. In this case, mine should show, if it would use the full speed, which would be 120 megabits per second, which is not there at all. But it also has to do with, the number of people at the same time with the Microsoft servers downloading the same updates. Because remember that for a lot of machines, the updates get initiated often a lot at the same time. So there's millions of machines connecting, downloading, bits of data. But also, this is also separated in different speeds, because if you get, for example, 4 different updates, the speed that you see on the average download speed is not all 4 together. It's the average speed of each download, but you have 4 at the same time, which divides by 4 your connectivity. So that also plays on the number you see here, because instead of taking into account 4 updates, the maximum speed all 4 are getting together, it really is looking at only the speed of each individually. So if you get 2 updates, and for example, get the Windows update and you get a .NET framework, this divides part of the speed on each connection, because there's 2 connections downloading with your internet connection. So it divides by 2 at least the speed, if all things are equal. So this is why this number isn't consistent, doesn't necessarily reach the speed of your internet connection. It's not that much of a problem. As long as they download and they install is really where it's important. But for most machines, you never reach really the speed of your internet connection on the Windows updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.